Okay, so it's 8:12 in the morning. I've just got into my car because I need to head over to my parents' house, which is where I've got my temporary unit, because today I am receiving my first ever proper wholesale order. It's going to be only just the one pallet, but there's a good 50 cartons coming on that pallet, I believe. But I'm super excited to get there and just check in my first wholesale order. I'm going to be taking you guys with me. Stay tuned.
3 hours later. 1 hour later. 1 eternity later.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Right guys, so there it is, the first pallet ever in my wholesale journey. The process was really simple. Like I said, it's coming on a pallet service instead of just your standard courier, so that's a little bit different. You need to obviously have a place to receive the pallet. Obviously I couldn't do that in my block of apartments, so fortunately I've got a space here that I can do that. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to load probably half of those into my car and get them back to the flat to process to send into Amazon, and then I'm going to store half in my storage, and then all I'm going to do is when they run out or stock gets low, I'm just going to replenish them. They're not massively fast movers, but they're good profit items. Trying to start off with that kind of model where I'm going for more profit rather than just turning over products, simply because I don't want to be constantly making this trip over here at the moment to receive the pallets. But maybe when I move into my unit and stuff like that, I will start to look at turning more products over per month. But really happy with it. Need to get these products into Amazon now, so I will see you guys back at the flat. Right guys, just got back to the apartment. This car was absolutely full to the brim, and I didn't bring it all back. Like I said, I wasn't going to bring it all back anyway, but I managed to bring about at least 3/4 of the pallet back and bring it, and I've just probably lugged up around 45 boxes to my 3rd floor apartment, which actually leads me to a point that I wanted to make. So I have seen a lot of people say about not being able to do wholesale because of their situation. Maybe they haven't got the space. Please just look at my situation there and use that as an example. Yes, the situation that I've got, I'm in a 3rd floor apartment. It's not ideal, but it's what I have to work with at the moment, and I'm making the most of it. So I just wanted for you to see that you know, I haven't got a unit at the moment, I haven't got a warehouse at the moment. I am just making do with what I have got, and I'm trying to make it happen and take action. So hopefully if you watch this video, you may have found it useful, you may have found it inspiring. But like I said, I'm about 2 weeks into my wholesale journey. I've already made my first wholesale order and had it delivered to my house. It's not as hard as you think it is, guys. You just need to put a little bit of work into it, and it's really good to see the progress so early on. I know, like I said, I've got a long way to go, but just getting this order in has really kind of lifted my spirits with wholesale and my outlook for the future. But I'm going to end the video there, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. It's a little bit short, but I wanted to film it for you. It was going to be the first one. I'm not going to film every one, but I wanted to film the first one just for the journey. Like I said, hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Hit that like button if you did, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I shall see you guys in the next one.